Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. May Allah bless you. Have a good time. Today I went to DIY market. So there I found this cute fishes. It's so cute, so I just get it. So just to hang my spoon on it or something in the kitchen. So they're really cute, right? Cute, right? I hang my spoon here in purple and green color. Look pretty. So very close to my hand, near my stove. Convenient also. Sometimes it's difficult to get this. I think I just get two to hang, but I think I am going to get few more so I can hang some of my spoon here. This is brinjal rounded. It's been really a very busy day today. How busy we are, we cannot skip our cooking. So cooking is a must thing to be done. For me, it's very important to cook something healthy. I always do things like my cooking. I want it to be very fast and quick. I don't want it like hours and hours to cook. So I just cook very fast and but important is healthy. I'm peeling my brinjals, and after peeling put them in the water so that they don't get tarnished. Peeling is all done. Slice them very thin, or you can like slice like you are slicing onions to use in the omelette, very thin. This recipe is totally generated by me. I like to put some twist in my food. I don't follow all the rules and regulation like typical. So here we add the onions. While our onion get a little pink shade, we start cutting and chopping our brinjals. You must be listening my kids' voice at the background. They are playing. Just cut very thin. It's very easy to cut and very fast to cook and very delicious to eat. Today I'm making with this white rice. You can eat with white rice, with the chapati, paratha, all way is matchless, and you will love. You will lick your fingers too. It's so delicious. Stay connected. Be with me till end. And if you like my recipes, do like, share, subscribe. Be generous. During first MCO, I did some catering as well. So for that period, I cooked this one brinjal for my customers, my friends, and they really love it. They are so many times they are asking for the recipe, so I am sharing for them too, and for my new friends also who subscribe me. my channel and they are supporting me. I try to bring every day some easy and quick solutions for your cooking, and delicious as well. Simple and healthy cooking. Fry them for a while so that they get softer in, and then we will add the garlic. No ginger this time, just garlic only. Whenever we add garlic, it's okay. Add ginger also. It seems like ginger and garlic is sisters. But today we are aparting these sisters and I'm adding just garlic only. 1 tablespoon, because I got 5 brinjals. I am putting according to my quantity. You can add according to your own quantity. Salt, and cover the lid for just like 5 minutes at low flame. As you can see, it's still watery and it's ready. As you can, and it's ready. It's halfway cooked. We add tomatoes, cumin seed, and coarse red chili, green chili chopped thin, very thin, all dumped in. And add a little bit of red chili powder also, and turmeric. Mix them well and cover the lid again for 5 minutes on low flame. At this spot, when you can see it's all going to be cooked, so because it's more, I like it very meshy, so that the kids can eat very easily. And when we eat it with rice, is also very delicious, very delicious. It's one of my favorite recipe. Mash it, and then just along with that add some yogurt as well, like 2 spoon, 3 spoon, so that it got a tangy taste. The taste will be very nice and tangy. It's my version of Bengan bharta also, you can call it. Add the coriander, garam masala, and black pepper powder. Mix it well and leave it like for 3 minutes more, so that the oil gets separated. Then we will add the coriander. After this recipe, those people who don't like to eat brinjal, they will start eating. Here, add the coriander, mix it well. Look at the beauty. Like, share and subscribe. See you again in another video.